Today I'll do a quick demo of the Webhook site Form Builder. I'm going to create a form that sends an email containing a PDF file. So I've already created my URL, so now let's go ahead and open the Form Builder. And in this default form, all I really need to do is to add an email field. So let's do that. Let's give it a name so we can recognize it in Webhook site. So now I can copy the HTML and go to my WordPress website here, paste the HTML code. Right, so now I can just go ahead and fill in my form. Let's see what happens. All right. So the form just came in to my Webhook site URL, and I can now create my actions. So first, I want to generate a PDF file. And I already have a little template here that I can use. And now I want to take my PDF file and attach it to an email. And I can use the variable button to find the data that I need. All right, so let's create that. Now let's go back to our website and see how it works. All right. So now we can see the data was received and our flow has run. And now I should have gotten an email. And that's it. Thanks for watching.